everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's so great seeing you again. If you're not familiar with me or my channel, my name is Dan and welcome. Today I have another DIY project for you, and because last month I got a new computer and it's the first time I own a laptop. I don't like to bend my back because then I will have back problems, and when you have a laptop it's a problem. So basically that's the reason why I think the next DIY will be so crucial and useful if you own a laptop. So without further ado, let's go to the video. I took the same maple wood I have left from the cutting board DIY and shaved it to 1 cm thick. Then I drew a template, and I just want to say it's very important when you draw the template on your wood, don't draw against the grain. Look at the wood you have and make sure you draw the template with the grain of the wood. I apologize on the bad footage. I had no one to film it and I didn't want to lose a finger. So be patient with me. With the scroll saw, which can be very accurate for small pieces, I cut roughly the 2 stands from the bigger piece and trimmed it until I got close to the marks I drew before. To give the major finish, I polished the pieces with a small electric sander. Then, just to make sure my pieces are exactly the same, I taped them together and gave them one last sanding. At the end, I finished with 1 200 grit sanding paper for the best results. Here you can see the before and after. I start sanding the end of my pieces. It looks completely different. Now that we're finished, your computer stand is ready. Enjoy it! Thank you so much for watching, it meant a lot to me. I have no idea how much. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so I will know, and subscribe to my channel down below if you're not a regular subscriber already. And also I have a little surprise for you. I just don't want to tell you because it's a surprise, but in the next month, like the DIY, I went crazy, okay? My university's workshop opens until like only the next month, so I basically have 2 weeks to make like an awesome DIY for you. That involved like electricity and big table saw and stuff. That's what I meant. So I'm so excited for the next month, and I hope you like it too. And I will see you next week with another baking video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.